Information on activity. Joint stock company Kokand Mechanical Plant. In Uzbekistan, large-scale reform on increase in a share of the private sector and reduction of participation of the state in economy is carried out. In particular, the resolution of the President of the Republic of Uzbekistan of 28 April 2015 about measures for increase in a share and value of a private property in economy provided a realization to strategic foreign investors of a share of the state. One of such societies is joint stock society Kokand Mechanical Plant, on which realization of 23.08% of the equity stake is provided in an authorized capital of society. The Kokand Mechanical Plant was created in 1943 for production of repair of naval and the oil field equipment. In 1997, on the basis of the order number 2594 and 031 and 2 of 8 September 1997, the State Property Committee of the Republic of Uzbekistan is renamed in Joint Stock Societies of Open Type of Kokand Mechanical Plant. Since 1997, Kokand Mechanical Plant is a part of Uzbekistan in system Uzbekneftegaz. In 2014, Joint Stock Company of Open Type Kokand Mechanical Plant converted Kokand Mechanical Plant Joint Stock Company. The plant for the last 5 years dynamically develops. The staff of plants constantly increases capacities and there is continuous process and development of high-tech new production. The plant has sufficient capacities which allow to execute orders on production of the gas cylinder, capacitor, oil and gas equipment and spare parts to them at a high technological level. The general territory of plant makes 12.30 hectares, from them which 56,980 square meters occupies production cases. Now in joint stock company Kokand Mechanical Plant, 800 workers are works. Technical the personnel of plant are more than 100 skilled experts, designers, technologists and organizers of production. Process of production begins with a make, a design and development of manufacturing techniques where the 30th engineer of designers and technologists who conduct development with the use of modern computer programs work more. Production shops have lights, each of which is equipped with bridge cranes with a loading capacity from 3 to 60 tons. Structural capacity such producing and non-productive departments, sites and engineering objects of communication enter. The boiler and welding shop has a procuring site which is equipped with guillotine scissors, a leaf bending machine, the ISA welding center for longitudinal and ring welding of large size capacities, installation for plasma shape, the first rollers, turning a pressing machine for production the bottom diameter to mm F 2400, 3x a roller profile bending machine and others. There is an equipment for control of welded seams, control ultrasonography by the getting X-rays to make various tanks up to 2000 m3 under filling, the tank for storage of the liquefied gas from 5 m3 to 25 m3, gas cylinders of 50, household and for cars, welded metalworks, the non-standard equipment and other productions. Almost all types of welding are made manual or electric welding under gunboil in the environment of protective gases, automatic and semi-automatic. The machine assembling shop is completed turning, drilling, horizontally milling, vertically milling, horizontally boring and grinders, a spatial installation for heat treatment of preparations, a shaft and rose diameter to mm F 150 length to 1400 mm, currents of high frequency. Main products: spare parts of a drilling equipment, spare parts for pumps and other products. The food shop provides with preparations, forgings, different semi-finished products, is powerful from 0.5 kg and 250 kg. It is equipped with cold stamping and hot stamping presses, 160 tons hammers, 1000 tons, circular source detectable machines and also gas furnaces, scissors for shape round preparations. The shop of the gas cylinder and non-standard equipment is equipped with welding equipment for ring and longitudinal welding, guillotine scissors, 3 and 1st walkway rollers, a Rangina television installation for control of welding seams of cylinders and other equipment. To make household gas cylinders 3 and 50 and 3K with a volume of 50 liters, automobile gas cylinders of APB 50 with a volume of 65 and 50 liters for transportation production and storage of the liquefied hydrocarbonic gas and also the non-standard equipment for the oil and gas industry and a metal construction for drilling equipment. It is mastered a realize of KB 3.5 boilers for heating of houses. The skilled and experimental site is based at 2013. There is a turning and spinning machine with CPU for production on similarity of the bottoms diameter to millimeters F600, thickness to 5 millimeters at the turning treated centers with CPU of 2 pieces. For coordinate milling and burying the machine with CPU at a table in size 100, 2050 and 2000. Movement of a table 3000 and 1500 and 1500. Leading capacity 5 ton. Around inwardly the grinder, universally tool grinding at the machine for shaping of tools to make spare parts for pumps, stumps, press forms and other products. A tool site. General perform preparatory works. Providers producing departments of plant with a special cutting tools, cutters, a vertical drill, a broach, shaping of circular saws, stamps of cold and hot stamping, compression molds, metal models, and other industrial equipment of high precision. In shop are available turning, milling, surfers, coordinate burying. Also there are TVC installations and other machines. The mechanical repair site generally performs rescue and recovery operations. In shop are available turning, drilling, milling, hobbing, planing, growing the equipment. In 2010 and 2012, for extension of the nomenclature of competitiveness of products and increase in volumes production according to the resolution of the President of the Republic of Uzbekistan of 15th February 2010, number 1442, made reconstruction and rearmament of producing departments of plant. More than 40 units, high precision, highly productive modern the equipment and machines of producing of Germany, Switzerland, Portugal and Spain. As a result, acquired, established and handed over in operation. Effective use of modern machines and the equipment allowed to increase sharply volume production, realize of new types of production and to lower production expenses. For the last 5 years, more than 30 names of new production are developed and mastered. Outputs increased more than 10 times. Net profit from activity increased more than 50 times. Dear investors, in the Republic of Uzbekistan for foreign investors, the set of privileges and preferences is provided. Investments made by you will bring in incoming to you and will serve as a contribution for further development of joint stock company Kokand Mechanical Plant. On the questions interesting you can address in State Committee for Competition of the Republic of Uzbekistan by phones 371 259 2023, 259 2138, a website www.gki.uz, or to the enterprise joint stock company Kokand Mechanical Plant for phones 373 542 0343, 543 0170, at the website www.kmz.uz.